Again, I paused the movie recording, and 3 or 4 new lines of text scrolled over about 30 seconds later, and we're done. So now we can try it again. Make. Okay, now we need the SDL mixer, which is a separate component. So I'm going to search for that down here. Okay, searching. They have SDL2 mixer, but that's not what we want. We want the classic version 1.2. There's the development package. That looks like the runtime. Let's install that. Making good progress. This probably won't take very long.